Okay, in our last video we finished up here on our child wellbeing center. Again, hit our dashboard, our side panel menu, and the next option available is financial. Very, 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 very important. Okay, this is our financial management. We can see what case we're working on here. Um, and this manages all our inputs. Okay, so whether they're legal fees, if they're court relevant, child support payments, child care, medical health, whatever it is. Okay, again, these are all just ones I've submitted just as part of a test, just to show it out for us. Up here we have our dashboard. We can see our total income, our total expenses, our net balance, and how much is court relevant. Okay, because there may be fees and stuff that isn't necessarily court relevant. Okay, what we mean by court relevant is legal fees, such as medical fees, legal fees, child support payments. These are all financial transactions the court are going to want to know about. Okay, so we can see our total paid in child support, child support received, if you are on the receiving end of the child support, how much in legal fees. We can categorize based on whatever it is. Let's say just our legal fees. We can categorize based on income, if it was income, if it was outgoing, and whatever it is. Nice and simple. And we can add our entry up here, whether it's an expense or an income, how much, what category does it reside under, when, what payment method, how was it done, any notes, legal significance, and of course, most importantly, do not forget to drop in your receipts. So you can click on here, and if you have your receipts or whatever, you can upload them as part of that and submit that, and that will then your copy of your receipts and stuff will go to the evidence management section as well. Okay, but importantly, we can also add a budget. We can set a budget of allocate certain budgets based on what we want it to be, whatever the category is, the monthly threat, the alert threshold. So it'll actually give you a warning when you get close to your budget. But the most important part of all is going to be our reports. So we can do our monthly report, a court ready report. Let's start with the court ready. So we can click on that, and that's going to give us our report then for court. Okay, again, these are only the court relevant ones. Okay, it will say if the receipt was uploaded or not, if it's available. Okay, exactly what it is. These are all our court relevant financial transactions. Okay, a little disclaimer, obviously a legal disclaimer. Okay, we have a financial report ID. Okay, to show that if let's say you sent that to something and something was changed, you can actually come back and we can check the system. You can check your system internally and see, okay, was it changed? Because obviously you don't want anyone tampering with any evidence. Let's have a look. Child support payments. Okay, that will go bring up all the child support payments, so you have that report there, on its own. And we can have a look at expense analysis. Expense analysis. Okay, that will break down. Okay, how many transactions, how much you've paid in each one, where they were. Keep them all here. Again, crucial information to have. And obviously our monthly report then based on a month. If it's going over a long period of time, we can see, okay, in that month, what's our ingoings, what's our outgoings, what are they, what were they spent on, etc. So yeah, key important stuff. So that is our financial management section of our Just In Casey Pro.